Number 69 and 70. Fabulous job, lovely ladies. Let the judges see your numbers. All right, take a wonderful bow, and you may exit to the right. And thank you for those fresh plumerias. Oh yes, our sweeper loves you. Thank you so much, ladies. Good luck to both of you. Coming up is our last two. While our sweepers run in. Thank you so much. How about a round of applause for our Tahiti Aotearoa staff here? They're the ones in the yellow shirt, some of them in the black. They work awfully hard to putting it together, running it. They're like back and forth, running to pick up over here. Can you run over to my house and pick up for me too? Yeah, okay, thank you so much. We've got our last two finalists in this age category, the advanced age of 8 to 11. Number 75 and 79. 75 and 79. All right, don't forget to spread out, girls. There you go. Spread out, spread out, spread out. Thank you. And our drummers, are we ready? Judges are ready? Drummers, take it away. Advanced. These are advanced at that age. Let the judges see your numbers, lovely ladies. There you go. Face it to the front. Take a bow and you may exit to the right. Thank you so much. Come on, let them hear it. Give them a great big round of applause, audience. Coming up is our males, ages 8 to 11, number 84 and 85. 84 and 85. These guys are advanced. They are in the advanced class. Ages 8 to 11. There you go, spread out, there you go. And the judges are ready. Let's go! Drummers, take it away. Oh! our first two finalists, 84 and 85. What a phenomenal job. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Stand up and take a bow. Let the judges see your number. Turn around, all the way around, and then you may exit to the right. You guys are so cute. You're so cute. Thank you so much, guys. How about a great big round of applause for these two? Good luck to both of you. Coming up is our last two in the same age category, number 86 and 87. They're running in and they are on fire. Oh my gosh, look at them. They're just roaring. Yes, sirree. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. For our male advanced ages 8 to 11, number 86 and 87. Take a bow, gentlemen. Let the judges see your number. You guys are so awesome. Thank you so much. You may exit to the right. Good luck to both of you. Good luck to all that have already performed. Thank you so much. Who do we have coming up, Alana?
We have coming up in the beginner age category, female, ages 12 to 15. Ages 12 to 15. Contestants numbers 92 and 96. Judges are ready. Drummers.
What a wonderful job. Lovely, ladies. Let the judges see your numbers. Go ahead and stand up, take a bow, and you may exit to your right. Thank you so much, and good luck to both of you. Coming up is number 97 and 102. 97 and 102. These are our finalists in the age category of 12 to 15. These are beginners. Great, great job. And our judges are ready. Drummers, let's go. job. Thank you so much, ladies. Let the judges see your numbers. Take a bow, and you may exit onto the right. Good luck to both of you. Thank you so much. Great performance. Ooh. Coming up is our last two in this same age category. We've got 103 and 105. 103 and 105. Oh, yes. All right. We hear you. We got you. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. These are our last two finalists in this age category, 103 and 105. Great job, lovely ladies. You may exit to your right. Thank you. Coming up, we've got our male in the same age category, number 108. 108. Oh, yeah. Alrighty-o. How are we doing out in there, in the audience? Let me hear you out there. Okay. All right. Good. We got our judges. They're ready now. And drummers, take it away. How about a round of applause for our handsome gentleman here? He's our beginner in the age category of 12 to 15. Thank you so much. You may exit to the right. It's number 108. All right, another great big round of applause for this gentleman. Come on.
Okay, we have a few more finalists, so I'm going to be calling some more numbers, so heads up everyone. Male, beginner, ages 32 to 39, we have contestant number 311. Female, advanced, ages 32 to 39, 313, 314, and 315. 313, 314, and 315. Advanced age category, female, 40 to 45, 329 and 330. Again, 329 and 330. 46 plus, beginner, contestant number 335. Advanced female 46 plus, we have 341, 342, 343, and 344. Please make your way to the dressing room. It's time to go to finals.
It's time to get ready for you. In the meantime, we're moving right along here and going into our advanced females in the age category of 12 to 15. Our first two is number 114 and 120. 114 and 120. Yeah. Okay. Don't forget to separate, okay? Kind of spread out. Yeah, there's plenty gym, plenty floor for you all. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. Awesome job, lovely ladies, awesome job. Make sure our judges can see your number. And you may exit to the right. Thank you so much, lovely ladies. Good luck to both of you. Oh, look at you. You're both winners in my eyes. Coming up is 122 and 131. 122 and 131. Oh, we've got some fans in the house. You girls got some fans in the house. Oh, yes. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Thank you so much. How's our judges doing? All right, judges are ready? Drummers, take it away. Let the judges see your numbers, girls. If it kind of flipped over because she was all shaking it here. Shake and bake. Whoa. Thank you, ladies. Take a bow and you may exit to the right. Congratulations and good luck to you guys. Last but not least, number one. Okay, our sweeper. What would we do without this sweeper? Oh my gosh, they are so good. Look at how this girl's got skills. She's got it in a circle to the left, to the right, then back over. You know, she must be a truck driver or something because she got to be moving it. All right, thank you so much. Like I said, our last two in this age category, number 133 and 136. 133 and 136. All right, girls, spread out, spread out. And our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. so much. Thank you so much. Make sure our judges can see your numbers and you may exit to the right. Once again, these are our last two in the advance, ages 12 to 15. Great job. Good luck to both of you. Good luck. Thank you so much. And ladies, we have a quick announcement. If you lost a wallet, it's a Michael Kors wallet, black for you ladies. Yeah, put it down. I'm going to hide it. We're going to make up describe it, see what's in there. Because you know, if one guy may come up here and say, oh, that's my purse. No, I'm only kidding. If you lost the wallet, please come and see us. It's a black Michael Kors wallet. Thank you so much. Without further ado, we're going to move along right here to our male dancers. And they are advanced in the age 12 to 15. We got 143. Number 143, come running in. All excited. And then we got number 144. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And the judges are ready. And the crowd is wild. Drummers, go at it. Gentlemen, these were our gentlemen in the advance, ages 12 to 15. 12 to 15? Hey!
Oh my God, 12 years old?
Hey, you guys be eating good. How about a round of applause once again for these good-looking guys up here. Good luck to both of you, okay? You may exit to the right. Exit to the right. Thank you so much, guys. Woo! Coming up is our female beginners, ages 16 to 20. We got 150 and 151. Lovely. And our judges got their job cut out for them. Drummers, take it away. Thank you, ladies. Take a bow. There you go. Awesome job. Thank you so much. We're going to bring up the next two contestants. Contestants numbers 150
154, and 156. 154 and 156. Judges ready, drummers. And 156. Thank you, ladies. Take a bow. Make sure that the judges can see your number. And thank you so much. Our last two contestants in this category, beginner ages 16 to 20. We have contestants numbers 157 and 160. 157 and 160.
Oh yeah, you can scream. That's one thing about this competition. You can scream, hoop, holler, and shout for your favorite dancer out there. Oh yeah. We got the red and white team here. Our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. Oh yes, beginners, female, ages 16 to 20, our last two contestants in this division, contestants numbers 157 and 160. Thank you, ladies. Male, beginners 16 to 20, we have contestants numbers 167 and 168. 167 and 168. Judges ready, drummers. number 167 and 168. These are our beginners, our male, ages 16 to 20. Great job, guys. Take a bow. Make sure our judges see your numbers before you exit on out. Thank you once again, and good luck to both of you. Great, great job. Our last two male dancers in the same age category. We've got 169 and 170. 169 and 170. Oh yeah. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. In our male category, 69 and 70. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Great, great job. Let the judges see your numbers, and you may make your way out to the right. Exit to your right. Good luck to both of you. Thank you so much. Great, great job. Coming up is our advanced females in the age category of 16 to 20. We've got 174 and 186. 174 and 186. These are our finalists in the advanced category, ages 16 to 20. And our judges say they're ready. Drummers, take it away. Numbers 174 and 186. Take a bow, ladies. Thank you very much. Moving right along, we're going to bring up our next two contestants. We have contestants numbers 187 and 190. Numbers 187 and 190. Our judges are ready. Drummers.
for contestants numbers 187 and 190.
Great job, lovely ladies. Make sure our judges can see your number. You may exit to the right. Thank you so much and good luck to both of you. Our last two finalists in the same age category is 195 and 197. 195 and 197. These are our last two finalists in the advanced ages 16 to 20. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Don't forget, if we called your number earlier, you need to be in the back getting ready. Without further ado, our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. What an awesome job. Great job, ladies. Make sure the judges can see your number. Alrighty, you may exit to the right. Thank you so much and good luck to both of you. Coming up is our male in the same age category of 16 to 20. We've got number 202 and 205. 202 and 205. These are our finalists of male. Advanced category, 16 to 20. Judges are ready, drummers. Number 202 and 205. Lot of energy on the dance floor. Great job, gentlemen. Let the judges see your number. Make sure it's visible where they can see it. Take a bow, say goodbye to your fans, and you may exit to the right. Thank you so much, guys. Coming up is number 206 and 207. 206 and 207. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Judges got their jobs cut out for them. There's so much great talent on the dance floor. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. great job, gentlemen. Let the judges see your numbers. And go ahead and make your way out to the right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, I thought you were going to leave the hat for us. Thank you so much and good luck to both of you. Our last and two final male dancers in our advanced category of age 16 to 20. We've got 209 and 259. 209 and 259. Yes. There you go. 209 and 259. We got the yellow and the red team up here. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. Numbers 209 and 259. Thank you, gentlemen. That was really awesome. Thank you so much. Make sure that your numbers are visible. And exit to your right. Thank you so much. We just have a short commercial while we have our sweeper right here do something. Give our sweeper just a minute and just to sweep this up here. Just 1 minute here. Yes. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, that tomorrow we've got some fabulous performing groups. Tomorrow, it will be starting at 9 o'clock. Our doors will open like 9 o'clock or so. You don't want to miss out. We've got some fabulous performing groups with their hotel, aparima, musical, drumming categories. It's going to be an exciting day tomorrow. Also tomorrow, our special performing guests will be a group called Tahiti Creations. They're going to be, anybody from Tahiti Creation in the house? What city are you from? Long Beach. Wonderful. They're going to be here tomorrow. They're going to do a special performance. They've got a little mini fashion show of Samoan attire. Following that, they will be doing a little mini performance of the Samoan cultural dances. So that will be happening tomorrow. So if you want to see what Samoan fashion looks like, please come down tomorrow and check it out. As well as our sweepers and our staff. Also, don't forget, we do want to thank Tahiti Tourism, Checkboard, who does live streaming, which is live streaming right now. And Mr. Bryson, doing our photos. Thank you so much for helping out and making this possible for us. Also, how about a great big round of applause for all of our dancers that performed already. You know, it's been a long day for all of them. It's a long day for our judges as well as our drummers. But we do want to thank everybody for being so patient and so kind and humble and just, loving everybody in here. The spirit is wonderful. Also, thank our vendors that are outside. We've got Hula, Makano, we've got Bailana's Ware back there, we've got Steve, Rivera. We got so many more that are out there. Don't forget to check them out. We are going to move along in just a second here because we got our floor swept up, we got our toilet players coming back. Also, we want to thank a gentleman, or I'm not sure if it's a group or just an individual, but his name is, I don't know if it's a group or an individual. Konaika. Is there somebody by the name of Konaika or a group? Konaika? He's the gentleman or somebody that made these wonderful lays for us that we have. I think they're awfully beautiful. Thank you so much. They're different. Thank you. Also to the staff of Hitia Aotearoa, making sure that our staff is, our drummers are taking care of our MC table full of goodies. Oh my gosh. The faster the drum beat, the more I was eating, I feel. Same thing with our judges. Thank you for taking care of our judges. How about another great big round of applause for our drummers? Woo! They almost look like they needed a backup crew or something. Oh, you like me to come and help you? Yeah, right here. Anyways. Coming up in just a few short minutes here, we've got our beginners, our females in the age category of 21 to 25. Once again, are coming up in a few minutes. In just a minute here is our beginners, females, ages 21 through 25. Yes.
I'm so tired. Pagod na ako, kuya. Pagod na ako. Ayoko na.
Where's our raffle people at? Where's my raffle people? Can I get the raffle box up here? Everybody get your raffle ticket out. Let me have the raffle team up here, please. Let me have the raffle team. Give me a couple of raffle goodies. Thank you so much. All right, everybody get your raffle ticket out.
Back in action.
Coming up is my raffle crew right now. We have so many goodies to raffle off, so we're going to take this opportunity to raffle a few things here. Palana, pick me a number over here. Is this the raffle box here? Yes. Ooh. Everybody got your raffle ticket out here? What are we raffling off first? We got a dress. Oh my gosh. From Shop Stevie. Shop Stevie, this is this beautiful dress.
I just gotta go.
And we've got a raffle ticket coming up.
Oh, but that's good for you.
Okay, stir it up. Stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Come on, stir it up. All right, the last three numbers. Oh, well, let me just read the whole number, okay? 662 192. 662 192. What? No way, mama. Oh my, come up here, girl. Come up here, girlfriend. Hurry up. Run up here. Boy. Dang. Yo, come here. Was that your mama? Was that your mama's ticket? What's your mama's name?
Myra.
Myra? Myra. Oh, that's your mama over there. She's from Carson, right? Okay, what does your mama do?
Clean.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Nothing. No, I'm only kidding. I know this girl. She's from Carson too. Sister, it's good to see you. Well, you know what? This is the perfect size dress for you. Ay, this is a size 2. And I know you wear size 2. All right, do we have another one? Okay. And what are we giving away? Oh, isn't that beautiful? A comb. Yes, we got Craving here. We got, you can put free Craving over there at the booth when you win it. Got a bracelet and a comb. You know, for those of you who don't comb your hair, you can comb your hair now. Okay, ticket number 662 323. 662 323. Do we have a winner? Going once. Going twice. Okay, history. Next ticket. 662 137. 662 137. Do we have a winner? We don't have a winner. Going once, going twice. You know, I bet you somebody got the ticket, but they didn't comb their hair because I said, you didn't comb your hair.
Extremely.
Okay. We have a comb and a bracelet. All right, next ticket, 662-161. 662-161. Do we have a winner? Going once, going twice. And we're going to do one more, and then we're going to go on with our program. One more, here we go. 662-228. 662-228. Do we have a winner? No. Oh my gosh, it's the same family. Yes, 228, Mama. Is that yours? No? Right there. Come on up here. You look like you used the comb. Come here, dear. Thank you so much. How about a round of applause for all our winners? All right, yo. You from Tevakanui? You got a t-shirt that said Tevakanui. Are you part of their group?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Janae.
What's your name?
Janae.
Janae, all right. Are you dancing today, tomorrow? Today? Maybe sometime in this year? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for our winner. How about another round of applause for our drummers? They are back and we're ready to rock and roll. Without further ado.
And we're moving on. Beginner age, female, ages 21 to 25. We have contestants numbers 210 and 211. Contestants numbers 210 and 211. Our judges are ready. Drummers. Numbers 210 and 211. Thank you, ladies. We're going to move along and bring our next two contestants up. We have numbers 216 and 221. Contestants numbers 216 and 221. Judges are ready, so drummers, let's take it away. Yes, that's numbers 216 and 221. ladies. Awesome. Take a bow and thank you so much.
I'm okay. Do you want to do this?
We're going to bring our next couple of ladies up in this age category, 21 to 25 beginner. This is contestants numbers 223 and 224. Again, 223 and 224. Our judges are ready, and drummers. Ages 21 to 25, we had contestants numbers 223 and 224. Thank you, ladies.
All right, our one and only Tana in the same age category. We have number 227. 227. This is our beginner male. In the 8, he's 21 to 25. Judges are ready, drummers, take it away. Big round of applause for number 227. Beautiful job. I love those colors. Great job. Good luck to you. All righty. Coming up, we have our advanced females in the age category of 21 to 25. Our first two contestants are number 233 and then 235. 233 and 235. Oh yes. Woo. This is a wonderful crowd, wonderful crowd. And our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. 235. Wonderful job, lovely ladies. Let the judges see your numbers. Thank you so much. Take a bow, and you may exit to the right. And good luck to both of you. Thank you so much. Coming up is number 237, 243, 237, and 243. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. The smiles are nice and bright. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. What an excellent job. Numbers 237 and 243. Great job, ladies. Make sure our judges can see your numbers. And good luck to both of you. You may exit to the right. All right, take a bow. Thank you so much. Another great big round of applause for our lovely dancers. Last but not least, number 244 and 248. 244 and 248. These are our last two finalists in the advance, ages 21 to 25. And the judges, they said they're ready. Drummers, take it away. There you have it, our last two finalists in the age category of 21 to 25. They are in the advance, number 244, 248. Great job, ladies. Thank you so much and good luck to both of you. Another great big round of applause for all of our lovely ladies in the same age category. Come on, audience, give it to them. Thank you.
Oh, yes. And coming up in the age category 21 to 25, Advanced Kane, contestants numbers 256, 257, and 258.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Crowd goes crazy over these three guys.
Woo!
All right. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. Number 256, 257, and 258. Whoa, you guys are hot. Let the judges see your numbers and you may exit to the right because it's just too hot. Too hot to handle, huh? The guys are saying, yeah. They came out here to win and you all are winners in our eyes. Great job, guys. Good luck to all three of you. Who do we have coming up, Mama?
We have beginners, young ladies, 26 to 31. Contestants numbers 264 and 265. 264 and 265. And our judges, I believe, are ready. Ladies, drummers. Lovely young ladies. Contestants numbers 264 and 265.
That was a beautiful ending there. They almost kind of ended together. Like they did choreographed it, huh?
Almost exactly.
Dang, they were so good.
Spot on. Thank you, ladies. Our next two contestants, numbers 266 and 267. Numbers 266 and 267. Our judges are ready. Ladies, drummers.
And there you have it, number 266 and 267. Wonderful job, ladies. Make sure our judges can see your numbers. And you may exit to your right. Good luck to both of you. Coming up are our last two in the same age category, number 268 and 287. 268 and 287. These are our last two finalists as beginners in our age group 26 to 31. Yes, sir, looking good, looking good. How about another great big round of applause for our judges? During the finalist round here, it just takes a few more seconds for them to kind of tally up because it's a shorter process. But thank you so much, judges. You're doing a wonderful job. Thank you, Tugo, for the thumbs up. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. applause for our last two finalists in this age category. Beginners, 26 to 31. Thank you so much, ladies. Take a bow. You may exit to your right. And good luck to both of you. Coming up is our male in the same age category, number 272. Our male contestant, he's a beginner. You don't look like a beginner. Yeah, you look like you've been around, you know, and know what you look good, brother. You look good, brother.
They've been around the world a little bit.
You look good. The costume look good. You look good, brother.
Okay, bye, Lily.
Okay, our judges, are you ready? All right, that's my son. Okay, no, all right, judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. Number 272. All right. Thank you so much. Great job. Good luck to you. Coming up, yes, coming up in our advanced females, 26 to 31, we've got number 275, 282, 275 and 282. Yes, sir. These are advanced lovely ladies. 26 to 31. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. The colors on these motors are beautiful. Judges are ready. Drummers. No, we're not ready. Timeout. You know, that's what you see. That's what I love about these judges. You just point their finger, they put it back, you know. You know, you just let us know. We pump our brakes really fast over here. You know, we go. Okay, thank you so much. So
wait a minute. Can you do that again? What was that?
Oh no, there's no repeat. Yeah, I work for Warner Brothers Sound Effects. Yes. Anyways, don't forget tomorrow we got some fabulous groups coming out tomorrow. Also, special performance by Tahiti Creations. They're gonna have a little mini fashion show and a little Samoan performance for you all. So if some of you don't know what the Samoan culture is about tomorrow, you'll be experiencing that. Our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. There you have it, number 275 and 282. Wonderful job, ladies. Wonderful job. Let the judges see your number, and you may exit to your right. Thank you so much, and good luck to both of you. Come on, let's give it to these lovely ladies. Oh, look at good. You both are winners. Thank you so much. Number 283 coming up. And number 286, 283, and 286. Don't forget you're on Checkboard live streaming right now. Checkboard live streaming. And if you want some special photos taken, Mr. Bryson Photos is available up here in the front if you want a special shot of yourself. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away.
Really beautiful. Love that color. Thank you, ladies. Thank you so much. You can exit to your right. Our next two contestants, so we're going to bring them to the stage. This is 288 and 293. Contestants numbers 288 and 293.
I'm like over this.
Judges are ready. Drummers. And that's going to wrap up the advanced female category ages 26 to 31. Thank you, ladies.
Okay, no judgment. Back it up, Jeannie!
Let's go, Alex!
Moving along, we're in the advanced men, Kane, ages 26 to 31. Contestants numbers 298, 299, and 300. 298, 299, and 300. Our judges are ready. Dancers, drummers.
advance in the ages 26 to 31. Great job, gentlemen. Make sure our judges can see your numbers. Alrighty, thank you so much. Good luck to both, all three of you guys. You may exit to the right. Another great round of applause for these gentlemen here. Great job, guys. Coming up,
Beginner Bahine, ages 32 to 39. Contestants numbers 303 and 304. Our judges are ready? Yes, they are. Dancers, drummers. Contestants numbers 303 and 304. Thank you, ladies.
all right, those are our first two in the beginners, ages 32 to 39. Great job, good luck to both of you. Coming up is 305 and 306. 305 and 306. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. That was wonderful. Contestants numbers 305 and 306. Thank you so much. Thank you and good luck to the both of you. Alrighty-o. Thank you so much. Coming up is number 307 and 309. Good luck, good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for everybody coming out here to support the Tahiti Aotearoa this year. We're winding down to our last few contestants here. Our judges are ready. Drummers, take it away. two finalists of the beginners, ages 32 and 39. Numbers 307 and 309. Great job, ladies. Good luck to both of you. Coming up is our male Tane, our male dancer, the same age category of 32 to 39. Number 311. Number 311. Yes, sirree. And the judges say they're ready. Drummers. Number 311, age 32 to 39. What a wonderful job. Great job. Thank you so much. Coming up,
we have Vahine, ages 32 to 39 in the advanced division. We have contestants numbers 313, 314, and 315. 313, 14, and 15. Judges ready? Yes, we are, ladies and drummers.
there you have it, our three finalists advance ages 32 to 39. Lovely ladies, be sure the judges can see your number. I see one of them kind of flipped up the numbers. Let the judges see your numbers. Your numbers. Thank you so much. And you may exit to the right.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Good luck to all three of you. Wonderful job. What do we have?
We have advanced Vahine female 40 to 45, contestants numbers 329 and 330. 329 and 330. Yes. And our judges are ready, ladies. Drummers.
And there you have it. Our two finalists in the age category of 40 to 45, they're advanced, number 329 and 330. Great job, lovely ladies. You may exit to your right. Thank you so much. Good luck to both of you. Great job. What do we have coming?
We have coming beginner, Vahine, female, age 46 to beauteous. We have contestant number 335. Judges, ladies, and drummers.
A great big round of applause for this lovely young lady. Contestant 335. She's a beginner in the age category of 46 and looking beautiful. Yes, sir. Thank you, Mama. Good luck to you. You look good. Don't worry about it. Just keep
Fabulous, fabulous. Oh, yeah.
It's a fabulous.
Breathe.
Okay, next.
Okay. Moving along, advanced. Vahine, 46 and Diva Fabulous, everybody. We have contestant numbers 341, 342, 343, and 344. Oh my gosh, look at these women. Judge, we're gonna wait. Oh, we only have three. I think it's 343 that's not there. I'm not mistaken. Yeah. And we're just waiting on the judges a little bit. Are we good? We're waiting for the paperwork. So,
while we're waiting for the judges' paperwork, giving him a few seconds here, this is going to be our last category of finalists right here. After that, we're going to probably take a few minutes to kind of set up for the awards and so forth. But I can't stress enough, we want to thank you so much on behalf of Alex and Tanya for coming out and supporting our first day of the Hura competition. Tomorrow we do have our group competition. We've got
but today, right after this is all done, we have this really great performance by the hoop. They're going to do a hoop dance. Really kind of cool. So stick around. We got a lot of stuff coming after this. A few more things, so don't go away. And Lily, you got something to tell them? No, not yet?
No, not yet.
Okay,
let me see.
So I think we're ready to go. Judges ready? Yes. Dancers, drummers, hit it.
in our advanced group of ages 46. Thank you so much, lovely ladies. Great job. You may exit. Make sure the judges can see your number. Don't forget that coming up right now, we've got a special performance. A special performance, and they are the Hoop Group. Native American Hoop Group. They're Native American. We're gonna get our broom. We're gonna do some raffle right now while they clean up we're gonna do a couple of raffles while they sweep it. And then we're gonna get the Native American hoop performers to come on out here. Where's our raffle tickets? Alrighty-o. Clean up. All right, here we go. Our first raffle ticket. Our first raffle ticket while they're brooming up over here. Everybody get your raffle ticket out. The first raffle ticket is 662-045. 662-045. 045. Going once, going twice. We got a winner. What are we giving away? The bag. Oh my gosh, from Manano. We've got a bag for you, girlfriend, and you're gonna fill it up with all the money you're gonna make when you hit Hollywood, okay? Woo. Okay, here she comes, she's coming, and she'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. There she is, right there. Okay. And where are you from, young lady?
Huh? Oceanside?
Oh, and who do you dance for?
Nono Sina?
Nono Sina's in the house. All right, congratulations, dear. You look beautiful. All righty, y'all. Next. Okay, and we're stirring this up like gravy, you know, stir it up. And the next ticket is 662-055. And what are we giving away? What a beautiful necklace. We've got a beautiful necklace right up here. Show her. And this is from Auntie Bailana's little booth over there. Where's Bailana? Bailana is one of our MC. And this is a beautiful necklace. The ticket is 662-055. And we got a winner. And who do you guys represent?
Hiva Katoa.
Hiva who?
Katoa.
Hiva Katoa is in the house. From San Diego. All right, then you go. You wear the necklace today and she can wear it tomorrow. Okay? Take turns. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay, and now, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we do have our special performers, our Native American. They're going to do a little special performance right now. Come on out here. Our Native Americans are going to be doing a whoop. Not a whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Here they come. How about a round of applause for our Native Americans right here? Come on, give them a great big round of applause.
Hello, I'm back here. So my name is Michael Goodell. This is my sister, Tara Kinney, and we're going to do what's called the hoop dance for you today. Just a quick introduction so you know what you're watching. The hoop dance is a Native American dance, and traditionally the natives used only 4 hoops. And these 4 hoops represented the different directions, north, east, south, and west. And it represents all the different people in the world, and it shows how the people in the world can come together to live in peace and happiness. But the hoop dance is also a story of a young bird, and you'll see as she begins dancing, we're dancing separate. She'll dance first and I'll dance second. But as she begins to pick up the hoops and begin dancing with them, you'll see this bird as it begins to develop. And as the dance progresses, you'll see different plants and animals that this bird sees in its life. And by the end of the dance, you'll see this full-grown bird. And so this dance is kind of like each one of us in our life. We have to learn from our different experiences and different people that we meet. So here is the hoop dance.
How about another great big round of applause for our Native American doing the hoop dancers. Whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Oh yeah. Give them another great big round of applause. That was phenomenal. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. That was excellent. Excellent. You know, I was watching that and I thought, man, if I was to try to stick my feet in one, have the other one, I would have been tripping all over. That was wonderful. In just a few short... I would have had that wrapped around my neck and choking myself and everything. That was wonderful. Wonderful. In a few short minutes, we are going to start our award ceremony. So while we get that set up right now, we're going to get chairs set up out here for our judges to come up a little bit closer, be closer to us, because we want to be closer to them. Give yourselves a great big round of applause. You're a wonderful audience.
Ramiro, hamay tuminig. Ya buena. Amène autour des moyens bien, s'il vous plaît.
Start our award ceremony. Give our staff just a couple of more minutes just to tally up. So in about 7-10 minutes we will begin. Once again, we want to thank our sponsors, Tahiti Tourism, Check Board, who does it live streaming on your phone. Checkboard, doing the live checkerboard. Oh, I forgot the checkerboard, and they do live streaming. And also Brother Bryson doing our photographer. Thank you so much for our sponsors. Don't forget, tomorrow we've got some wonderful groups performing. Special performance by a group coming out of Long Beach. They're called Tahiti Creations. Tahiti Creations. They'll be doing a mini fashion show of Samoan wear with a little performance of the Samoan songs and dances. Once again, tomorrow. Also, we want to thank our judges for being so patient and doing a wonderful, wonderful job throughout this whole day. Especially at the very end there, doing the finalizing of our finalists. Thank you so much, judges. Thank you to our drummers, doing a great job, our sound crew. Man, they are the best. Also, our home staff, Ohitia Aotera, the staff. Don't forget, if you want to pick up a t-shirt, right over here in the first booth, right out the door, you'll be able to get a t-shirt. Alrighty. In about 5 minutes, we will start our award ceremony. So get to make a new friend. Say hello to somebody you've never said hello to before.
Tomorrow we have a busy schedule tomorrow. We have groups coming up tomorrow. I think we have Tupua's coming tomorrow. The Hinalo Nui is coming tomorrow. We have Hura. And we have Tahiti. So everybody come on up early and watch these groups perform. In the morning, we're going to start at 9 a.m. with our overall soloists. So come on early tomorrow also. First come, first serve.
extend it to the end.
That's exactly what they're saying.
So that it ends naturally. I'll put it both. I'll put it on YouTube and I'll put it in the drive in case it.